If them have to give away the ticket them for full stadium, them will give them. To take shame out of them, yeah, if them have to give away the ticket them, they're going to give them away. Mr. Barbas jump out and say, but you know the pan of politics, nonsense, you got caught. Guy, it's too late, we already saw you. Him tell us say, I'm not political. Then you saw him on the stage. Barbas do these things, him come out and just openly lie to people because him see Jamaicans as sheep. I'm not involved in politics, guys, too late. If Vybz Pro Box try and turn his back on the machine that free him, he will be in grave danger, and I don't mean the disease. Barbas is a little DJ boy. Him only powerful to him fans them and people like little YouTuber like me who you know say, right, no have nowhere near the amount of star power with him up. The machine will gas up Barbas and send him Gary Road. If him ever try turn him back on that, we not go see what general. That the Mickey Mouse foolishness belonging at the toilet, and at that him get nominated on. Barbas got nomination over people who that deserve it way more than him.